Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of AUDCAD, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar for 1st April 2021. So this video and analysis is for 1st April only. Tomorrow, you'll see me again with the analysis for 2nd April. Yes, I bring videos on daily basis and in advance so that you get to stay ahead of the market. So please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So, and thanks a lot for such overwhelming love and support. But I really feel bad when I receive messages that new traders are they are in so much trouble because of making bad decisions. Because whenever I receive this kind of messages and comments that yes, people are losing money, it takes me back to those days around 5 years, 7 years back when I used to be a beginner and I used to make bad decisions too, and I used to lose money. So therefore, I have decided that from today onwards, I'll be providing more detailed and professional analysis so that you get the complete picture. I know this will make the videos a bit longer, but trust me, videos may be boring. Okay, they will be boring, but they will make you a better trader. Okay, because this kind of analysis is really required if you want to take trading seriously. So let's get started. So as you can see right now, okay. This is the present chart of AUDCAD. Okay, this is a present chart of Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, and right now you can see that market is trading at 0.9593 level. And on the left hand side, I have mentioned 50 moving average as the resistance, and this is the support 0.9520. So this is the current picture of Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Fine. Now let me take you to the higher time frame. So this is the 1 week time frame. Okay, this is the 1 week time frame. We do not need this part as of now for this currency pair, but you can see here, okay, you can see that last week market has formed a spinning top kind of a pattern. Okay, spinning top kind of a pattern. Okay, and market took support at the 50 moving average. Okay, this is the 50 moving average. Market took support at the 50 moving average and bounced back. Therefore 50 moving average is there in the picture. Okay, right now we got the confirmation that yes, in the weekly time frame 50 moving average is acting as a support for the market, which is not visible in the uh, daily chart. Okay, daily chart that we use 4 hours time frame. So by looking at the 4 hours time frame, we got the picture. Yes, last week it took support at the 50 moving average. So 50 moving average is a valid support for the market now. Okay, so we need to be cautious. So I have drawn a line here already, a black line here, which will tell you the support. Okay, so this is the weekly time frame, and see now look at this chart. Okay, this is also the chart of Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, but this is the chart for the last 3 months. Okay, from 2000 from the start of 2021. So let's analyze this chart. We can see that Australian dollar, Canadian dollar was in kind of a range. Okay, there was no such proper trend. After that, there was a breakout. Okay, there was a breakout. That market went on consolidation. Then market started falling. Okay, market started falling from March, and we can see that 50 moving average was acting as support here. Okay, and from March, the same 50 moving average started acting as a resistance. So this support became the resistance now. And here you can see that market is getting resistance from the 50 moving average all the time, and it is coming down. Okay, so we have the picture now. Okay, so we can see that overall the picture is that market was in uptrend. That's a different part. Okay, but right now market is in downtrend overall. Okay, since March, and this is the current market now. Therefore, what should be our strategy then? As we have already seen, okay, as we have already seen on the on this chart that right now market is in downtrend and market is getting resistance. Whenever market is trying to go up, it is getting resistance from the 50 moving average. Okay, therefore 50 moving average is the best place to short the market. best place to short the market. So right now, if you want to take some risk, then you can short the market right away. Because I already told yesterday that you can short the market when stochastic RSI was in overbought zone. But right now you can see that those market is here just below this just below the 50 moving average, but stochastic RSI in the oversold zone. Therefore, if you want, okay, if you want, then you can wait for the market or wait for the stochastic RSI to go up to the overbought zone, and when it will start coming down again, okay, then you can short the market below the 50 moving average. That's the strategy number one. And if you want to take some risk and if you want to short the market right away, then you can go ahead and short the market right now. But you can wait for some time and wait for the stochastic RSI to go to the overbought zone, and when it will be coming down, you can short the market. That will be the more safer option for you. But remember one thing, okay, in the weekly time frame, okay, in the weekly time frame, we have seen that this black line, okay, this black line is the support, okay, because in this type of chart, okay, in this type of chart, we cannot consider, okay, we all know it very well, we cannot consider these points as support, is not it? But remember, the 50 moving average is acting as a support in the weekly time frame, which is not visible in this chart. Therefore, and therefore we cannot ignore the point, okay, so we cannot ignore this black line. So if you short the market here also, you can come out by when market will reach 9527 level, or when market will be near the 0.9527 level. Just be cautious. If you see that market is crossing the 0.952 level with great amount of volume, then only go on or continue with your trade, or otherwise you can come out or exit from the trade by this level once it touches 0.9520 level. Okay, or there is a chance that after hitting this level, market may bounce also. Okay, because see, big players like the banks, hedge funds, they mainly trade on the higher time frame. Higher time frame is the time frame of the big players. Okay, so there are certain things on the higher time frame that you do not want to mess with. So you can short the market. Okay, if you can short the market right now. If you want to take risk, wait for the stochastic RSI to go to the overbought zone, and when it will be coming down, okay, then you can short the market. Okay, but do get cautious when market will be near this level. If you see that market is getting support at 0.9520 level, you can come out of the trade. Okay, so this is your entry, and this is your entry, and this is your exit as of now. Generally, we do not consider this as the support, but in the weekly time frame, we have seen that yes, 50 moving average is acting as a support. Okay, so this is the detailed analysis of AUD Canadian dollar. Hopefully, you have understood. And if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And if you have felt very bored, okay, then I apologize because I just want to see you as a better trader. That's it. Anyways, thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care. All the best. And do not forget to subscribe.